important not to stand up here too. You guys, if you stand up, we stop short and you fall. If you stand up, it could be fatal. So please guys, do not stand. Lots of low-hanging signs and all kinds of things. Very, very dangerous. Do not stand while the bus is moving. Good. That's all the ninjas know. On your right, we have MTV. On your left, towards us, straight ahead, we have the New York Times building where they dropped the ball on New Year's Eve. And over here on your left, we have ABC Times Square where they do Good Morning America. On your right, the Hard Rock Cafe and the old Paramount building. On your left, the NASDAQ market site, the largest outdoor video screen in the entire world. Here we are. 42nd Street, the crossroads of the world. Madam Tussauds Wax Museum. B.B. King's Blues Club and Grill, the Hello Kitty store, and so much more as we come to stop number 2, Times Square.